Welcome to your social studies class.
Hello students, my name is Rupali, your social studies teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. Okay students, first of all tell me, are you enjoying the social studies lectures or not? Very good. I hope you all are enjoying. And have you done your homework? Very nice. Okay. Now tell me what we have covered in our last lecture. Yes, we have completed our third chapter of social studies, which was related to northern plains. Okay, so before starting my today's topic, I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Everyone? Okay, now tell me. Have you seen camel? Very good. Everyone? Nice. And for which animal Rajasthan is famous? Yes. And which plants we found in Rajasthan? Yes. So students, today we are going to discuss our fourth chapter of social studies, which is the Western deserts. So start with the Western Desert. Let's start.
Rajasthan is divided into two parts by the Aravalli Range. The western side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It extends from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. The Great Indian Desert covers a large part of Rajasthan. A desert is a vast area of flat land covered with sand. It is also called the sandy plain. Small hills of sand are called sand dunes. When strong winds blow, these sand dunes tend to shift. These storms, also called dust storms, are a common feature in Rajasthan. Climate and natural vegetation. The climate of desert is very hot and dry throughout the year. Rainfall is scanty, which leads to shortage of water. Summer season is marked by hot days and cool nights. During winters, days are warm but nights are extremely cold. There is hardly any vegetation. Only thorny bushes, different varieties of cactus and kikar grow here. At some places, underground water comes to the surface. Such places are known as osses. Date palms are grown here as the soil around an oasis is quite fertile. Villages are found around an oasis. A caravan is a larger group of people traveling across the desert. They normally rest near the oasis after a long journey through the hot desert. Shortage of water. There is acute shortage of water in the desert as rainfall is very little. Streams are few. As a result, this region remains hot and dry. The government has taken certain steps to ease the difficult life of the people living in the desert. Water of Satluj and its tributaries now reach the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal, also known as the Rajasthan Canal. This has changed the life of the people and has also made the desert green. Farmers grow wheat, gram, bajra, jowar and maize. Suratgarh near Ganganagar has grown into the biggest and largest wheat farm in Asia. Ship of the desert. The camel is known as the ship of the desert. It is the most efficient mode of transportation in the desert. The camels have padded feet and can walk as well as run on the loose sand. They can stay without water and food for a long time. Camel skin is used to make tents and their hair is used to make clothes. Life of the people. Life of the people is very difficult in such regions. Due to shortage of water and scanty rainfall, people can't grow many crops. Settlements are mostly found around an oasis. Many people live like nomads. They do not have permanent homes and move from one place to another in search of food, means of livelihood, and pastures for their animals. They are also called banjaras. Most houses in the desert region have small windows and flat roofs. Some houses have underground water tank to store water. People are cheerful despite their hardships. They love to sing and dance. Both men and women wear colorful and bright dresses. Men wear white dhotis and bright kurtas and turbans. Women wear colorful ghagras, cholis and odhnis. Gangor, Tej, Holi, Dussehra, Diwali and Eid are some of the important festivals celebrated here. Jaipur is the capital city. It is also called the Pink City. The Thar Desert is a great tourist attraction. Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Kota and Udaipur are also popular tourist destinations. People visit forts, palaces, temples and some even go to the heart of the desert to see the dunes.
Okay students, I hope today's topic is clear to everyone. So please tell what we have covered today. Yes, we have covered Indian desert, means Thar desert. Next, yes, ship of the desert. Next topic, very nice, natural vegetation and life of the people. So we have covered these four topics. Now your homework is read chapter number 4 of your social studies textbook and try to solve the back exercise. Of chapter number 4. So your homework is read chapter number 4 of your social studies textbook and try to solve the back exercise of chapter number 4. I hope you all do it. And I know you all can do it. I Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy the video.